are still going to be taking more examples on division of polynomials. Let's consider the example we have on the board. We have given f as a function of x equals 2x to the power of 5 plus 5x to the power of 4 minus 5x to the power of 3 plus 8x to the power of 2 plus 1. And g as a function of x is equals to 2x to the power of 3 minus x to the power of 2 plus 1. Okay, now the first step is to arrange each of these functions, each of these equations in decreasing power of x. So we have for the first one, f as a function of x is equal to 2x to the power of 5 plus 5x to the power of 4 minus 5x to the power of 3 plus 8x to the power of 2. We can see we don't have x to the power of 1. What we do is we insert 0 coefficients to x to the power of 1 because we don't have it here. You know, 0 times x is still 0. So plus 0x to the power of 1 plus 1. Likewise, we do the same for g as a function of x. We have g as a function of x is equals to 2x to the power of 3 minus x to the power of 2. We don't have x to the power of 1 too, so we introduce 0x here. Then we have plus 1. Okay, now we go to our long division method. So we have the right hand right. We have the g of x from the outside. Then you have this inside. So it's going to come with 5. Okay, now let's start with our division. 2x to the power of 5 divided by 2x to the power of 3 will give you x to the power of 2. Because when you divide 2x to the power of 5, 2x to the power of 3, 2 cancel 2. Now to divide the power, just minus x to the power of 5 minus 3, that gives x to the power of 2. So we have x to the power of 2. X to the power of 2 multiplied by 2x to the power of 3, that gives 2x to the power of 5. X to the power of 2 multiplied by negative x squared, that gives negative x to the power of 4. X to the power of 2 multiplied by 0x, that gives 0x to the power of 3. So 0x to the power of 3. X to the power of 2 multiplied by positive 1, that gives positive x squared. So now let's subtract. Normal rule of division. 8x squared minus positive x squared, that gives 7x squared. Negative 5x cubed minus 0x cubed, that gives negative 5x cubed. 5x cubed minus negative x to the power of 4, that gives positive 6x to the power of 4. 2x to the power of 5 minus 2x to the power of 5, that gives 0x to the power of 5. So we have 6x to the power of 4 divided by 2x to the power of 3. That gives 3x, that gives just 3x. So we have plus 3x. So 3x multiplied by 2x to the power of 3 gives 6x to the power of 4. 3x multiplied by negative x squared, that gives negative 3x to the power of 3. 3x multiplied by 0x, that gives 0x squared. And then bring this down, we have 0x. 3x multiplied by positive 1, that gives positive 3x. Now subtract. 0x minus 3x will give you negative 3x. 7x squared minus 0x squared will give you positive 7x squared. Negative 5x to the power of 3 minus negative 3x to the power of 3 will give you negative 2x to the power of 3. Negative 2x to the power of 3. 6x to the power of 4 minus 6x to the power of 4 will give you 0. So negative 2x to the power of 3 divided by 2x to the power of 3 will give you negative 1. Negative 1. So negative 1, okay, before we even multiply, let's try to bring this down. So we have a confusion again, plus 1. Negative 1 multiplied by 2x cubed will give you negative 2x cubed. Negative 1 multiplied by x squared will give you positive x squared. Negative 1 multiplied you negative 1. So you subtract. Plus 1 minus negative 1 will give you 2 plus 2. Negative 3x minus negative 0x will give you negative 3x. Positive 7x minus x, positive 7x squared minus positive x squared will give you positive 6x squared. And 2x to the power of 3 minus negative 2x to the power of 3 will give you 0. So you have 6x squared. And you can see what we have here is actually higher than this, so we can divide further. So we have a quotient of x squared plus 3x minus 1 and a remainder of 6x to the power of 2 minus 3x plus 2. So when we divide f of x by g of x, we got a quotient of x squared plus 3x minus 1 and a remainder of 6x squared minus 3x plus 2. Thank you for listening. See you in the next class.